What's up? My name is Sviatlana. I've been working with textiles and curtains for 19 years. For most of the time, I run my own curtain salon in Minsk. Real clients, real projects, real consultation every single day. In 2019, I was at textile exhibition and saw someone working in Procreate on iPad. I had no idea what it was. That same evening, I went back to my hotel and bought the app and a course. I didn't open it for 6 months. Then one consultation changed everything. A client couldn't picture what I was describing. Out of desperation, I pulled out my phone and tried something. And in that moment, I understood. This was the tool I had been missing. A way to close projects faster, to earn client trust more quickly, to stop asking people to imagine and start showing them instead. I decided to keep learning. I built a complete workflow. How to photograph a client space, how to apply fabric, how to show options fast, how to close the project during the consultation instead of 3 days later by email. I tested everything in real client work, not in theory. In 2022, my life changed completely. I left Belarus and moved to Poland, not by choice. The situation made it impossible to stay. I had to rebuild everything from scratch. A new country, a new language, a new way of working. Procreate came with me. Now I want to share this system with decorators, interior designers, and anyone who works with textiles. And want to show clients what they are proposing instead of asking them to imagine it. That's what this channel is about. If this is useful to you, subscribe. New videos are coming regularly. And if you want to explore the brushes and PNG templates I use in my own client work, this link is in the description.